I'm Leanne, and this is my review of our Melissa and Doug train set. One of the best things about this is that it all fits in the carrying case. So you have a variety of pieces. The magnetic train has 3 different parts here. They click together. And then you have this extra little guy. He's like a forest ranger. And then I'll show you all the accessories. So once you get everything out, you're just gonna flip over your board. It's really sturdy. It's nice and thick wood. And you have a great play space here. So this is a wonderful alternative to the really large train tables, and it's compact. That's my favorite thing about it. Melissa and Doug is really known for making high quality toys that last a long time. And I've almost gotten to the point where when it's Christmas or birthday, I'll just tell people, hey, anything Melissa and Doug. But as you can see, you can set up all of these really cute little accessories. My 3-year-old loves this. He got it for Christmas, and my 4.5-year-old is also really into it. So they will actually do some playing together, which is always a nice thing. But these are sturdy and they last a long time. I love Melissa and Doug, and I definitely recommend this train set.